Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back, and to the new subscribers, you are welcome. So guys, on this particular video, I want to share with you how you can easily analyze your YouTube studio. Many of us might not understand how you can read through it. So this is me trying to share with you how a particular video has performed. Now judging from the screen, you can tell that this particular video didn't do so well. So join me as I break it down for you. Let's dive right into it, guys. So what we're going to be starting with is the overview of this channel. Now we can see this particular picture showing the video performance. We can see ranking by views giving us 8/10. That's quite poor. The views is of as at that time showing 33 impressions, click-through rate 2.2%, and the arrow is literally going down, meaning people aren't clicking on that particular video. Looking at what's on the screen, YouTube just easily explained why that might be happening. It's either you get to change your thumbnail, your title, or possibly some topics may just get fewer clicks. So it's advisable you revisit your topic again and try to rechange it or retitle it. So guys, that's that. Then let's move to the next step. So guys, this particular video, like I said earlier, has given us 33 views. This is it showing on the screen. This video has gotten 33 views since it was published. Now we move to the watch hour. This particular video has gotten 33 views since it was published, right? The watch time stroke hours is 0.2. That's quite poor, guys. Let's move to the next one. So guys, this particular video hasn't given us any subscribers. The count is written 0 subscribers. How do you think this video is going to be at the end of this particular so far, guys? This particular video hasn't generated any revenue, right? And this is because it was still processing, and that's when the screenshot was taken. Bear in mind that it takes 2 days for your estimated revenue to be updated on your YouTube studio. So I will drop a picture of how much this particular video has generated since after the screenshot. So guys, this particular video has an impression of 736. Now impression meaning this video has come either to the homepage or search to 736 persons, or do I use the word channels. Now moving to how viewers find this video, we can see the browse features is currently the highest here, which is reading 45.4%, notifications 30.3%, suggested videos 15.2%, YouTube search 9.1%, and other reading 0.0%. So guys, browse features is currently the highest. Now people are searching for this particular video. The notifications is following, ranging 30.3%. That is YouTube now giving notification to those who have subscribed to this particular channel. Suggested videos, this is YouTube suggesting this video to some home pages and to some channels. And then the YouTube search is the list here, which is reading 9.1%. Others is currently on a 0%. So guys, that's how you get to know how viewers find your video. So now we'll move to the next, which is impressions click-through rate. It's reading 2.2%. That's where it was explained that people aren't choosing to watch this video as often as some of your other videos. So it's advisable you change the title or thumbnail that can attract more viewers. So guys, if you're noticing something like that, these are what you can actually do to improve that particular video. So on this particular video, we're currently not having any unique viewers. It is currently reading 0. Now why I use the word currently, because I could go back and I will see changes in this particular video. If you remember earlier, I said this particular video is still currently finding its audience. So unique viewers are currently reading 0. So guys, the last but not the least is average view duration, which is currently showing 0.23 seconds. Now this is not bad for a video of a minute and 20 seconds. It's really not a bad thing for the average duration to be reading that particular timing. It depends now on your video duration. A particular video of 1 minute, if the average duration is reading 0.20 seconds, then it's not really a bad thing, guys. This is it for this video. I really do hope that you learned 1 or 2 things, and you can now read your studio analytics, your YouTube analytics, your video. You can know how your video is performing well or if at all it's not performing well, then you will know how to tackle the whole situation. So guys, this is it. See you guys in my next video. Click the subscribe button, like, comment, share.